Hello my Rhapsody fam, welcome back to my channel. This is Priyanka, and in today's video we're gonna learn some facial exercises, yoga or massage, anything you wanna call it. Especially in lockdown, most of us have started doing body exercises, but none of us have thought about our face. So please understand guys that it's equally important that we also give some massage and yoga or do some kind of exercises with our face also, so that our face can also glow and shine really nicely. And if you guys have noticed that you are using some of the great products in the market out there and still they are not working for you because your skin is not that healthy and you're aging really fast, so you want to stop that, right? So for that you need to start some facial exercises, and trust me guys, these exercises are not gonna take more than 10 to 15. I think 15 minutes is the maximum time that they are gonna take, depending on your speed and your steps, that how much counts you are doing. And I think it's been a long as intro, so now with that being said, let's dive right into this video. Now guys, before we directly hop onto the exercises, there are a few things that I would like to mention right here in the beginning, that whenever you do your exercise, whenever you start doing your facial exercises, make sure that your hands are completely clean. I set up this entire thing for shooting this video, and I went to the washroom, washed my hand thoroughly and wiped it with a towel, and now my hands are completely clean. Before touching my skin with my hands, you and I and everyone wanna make sure that our hands are clean. And also, do not apply any kind of moisturizer or anything. Your hands need to be bare, so don't apply anything else. And while doing your exercises, you need something to put on your face. It can be a toner, rose water or mist, or any facial oil or serum of your choice. I like to use this Deve Herbs vitamin E oil. This is a face oil. I got this in a PR package, but I want to make it clear right here in the beginning that this is not a sponsored or barter collaboration with any brand, or especially with Deve Herbs. I definitely got this in PR package in like 2019, August, September, November, I don't remember the month, but I reviewed the entire range all the products that I got in the PR. But that was again my honest opinion, but I really like to use this vitamin E oil. And firstly, I bought this vitamin E oil with my own money, and I conveyed the message that I really like this, and then they did their research and they figured out that I'm also a influencer. Then they sent me some more of their products, and then that's how I got this another bottle. So this is not a sponsored video, and I think we have talked a lot. So make sure that whenever you start doing your facial massage, your hands are fine, clean, and you need some kind of moisturization or something on your face, so that your hand glides on your face really easily. Otherwise, if your face is dry, so it's gonna irritate your skin a lot in this process. So make sure that your hands are clean, and also you have applied something on your face to work with on the surface. So now I'm gonna take a few drops of this vitamin E oil. So I'm gonna take just 2 to 3 drops, and this is all that I want. Now I'm gonna evenly apply this on my face, and I'm not gonna massage it a lot right here, but I'm just gonna apply a even layer on my face of this oil. You can use any toner, moisturizer or anything of your choice. I think facial oil works the best, but some people find facial oils that they clog their pores, which is a fact definitely. But if you like using a oil, go with it. If you don't like, you can definitely use a rose water or toner of your choice again. And one more thing, that I do these exercises at night, and whenever I perform these exercises, I cover my neck at last, and I'll tell you why for this in this video. But now definitely we're gonna cover our neck, but at last, but not in the beginning. So now let's just start the exercises. Now to perform these exercises, I'm gonna segregate my face into 5 parts. So our first section is gonna be this section, our second section is gonna be this section basically, and our third section is gonna be this section, our fourth section is gonna be this section, and our neck is the fifth section. So 1 2 3 4 and 5. So we're gonna start with our chin or jawline, and to define that and to keep that jawline sharp, what we're gonna do, we're gonna massage our face on the upward motion, and you can see it's not a rocket science. I perform 20 steps on each side. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20, and similarly on the second part. So many of us have those smile lines and those lines, fine lines around our mouth. So to overcome them, to reduce them, what are you gonna do? We're gonna take these two middle fingers, like the middle finger and the ring finger of both of our hands, and we're gonna massage it in the circular motion like this. Again, of all exercises, I'm gonna perform 20 steps. Moving on to the next exercise, again we're gonna take these two fingers of our hands, and now we're gonna move them in the upward motion. If your nails are really big, make sure that you perform these exercises very carefully, otherwise you're gonna hurt yourself or your skin might irritate later on. So make sure that you perform these things very carefully if your nails are really long. With that, we have covered our first section, and now moving on to the second section, we're gonna again take these two fingers and push our jawline. So you will feel this kind of a hollowness, and we have to push it in the upward motion. So we have to push these hollowness up. Be very very gentle with your skin. You don't want to hurt it or irritate it also. Moving on to the next exercise, again we are gonna do, so these two fingers are really important while doing facial exercises, because so many of exercises just we can cover with these two fingers of our hands. So now again I'm gonna take these two fingers and gonna massage my cheekbones. So you have to cover the cheekbones with these in this exercise, and again I'm gonna perform 20 steps of this exercise, of each exercise for that matter. Now there is one more exercise for our cheekbones, and for that you have to make a hook using your index fingers and push your cheekbones up like that. I'm not dragging my fingers in the straight direction, not downward direction, but in the upward, like diagonal, up diagonal direction, like this. Now once we have done that, it's time to move on to our third section of the face, and now for that we're gonna cover the brow bone and as well as the under eye. And for that, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take these two fingers again, and I'm gonna very 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 gently tap around my eyes. You know that our under eye area is the most sensitive area of our face, so we don't want to be very harsh on this area. So very 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 gentle, be very gentle. There is a mirror in front of me, that's why I'm looking that way. And now once we have done that, it's time to do the next exercise and cover these fourth section of our face, and that is our forehead. So now for that I have three exercises, like two exercises actually, and once in this, like you have seen, all the exercises are very easy, and like the other exercises as well, this one is way more easy. So what you have to do, just massage your forehead like this. I'm using just my fingertips, not my entire finger, just the fingertips. Now our second exercise for the forehead is we're gonna take this in the index fingers of our hands and gonna run those fingers in circular motion all over our forehead. So my forehead is really small, so I'm making small circles. If your forehead is big, you're gonna make big circles basically. You will feel a little sensation like your blood is circulating all over your face while doing these exercises. With that, we have covered our fourth section as well, and it's time to do a few exercises for our entire face. For the first exercise, what you have to do, you have to place your fingers in the middle of your forehead, just exactly on the center. You have to look up at the ceiling and move your brows basically like this. I don't know how to put that in words, but you have to do this in with your brows. But you have to look up at the ceiling and hold your place your fingers at the center of your forehead and look up at the ceiling and do like this. Now when you will do this exercise, you will see that your entire face has done a kind of a cardio basically, because you will see that blood running out of your face very fastly. And now moving on to our next exercises that will cover our entire face again. For that, you have to watch really carefully. So for that, what you have to do, you have to keep your hand like this, and you have to stretch your face from here, right here, very gently, and you have to hold. So your one hand is always holding. If you do it at this side, you will stretch your face like this, and if you are doing on the other side, you have to stretch your face like this. So you have to face, and now you have to take these two fingers, the middle finger and the index finger, and you have to push like this way. You have to push your face like this, again very gently, and you have to be fast. And like that, if you can see, I'm covering my entire face, the cheekbone, the hollowness, the everything with this, and I'm being very gentle. And for our eyebrow, under eye area, we have to do it like this, very gently. And when we do on the other side, you have to stretch your skin like this. And with that, we have covered our entire face, and after this particular exercise, your face will feel really nice, and it feels really good once you perform these exercises. And now it's time to cover our neck, and for that I have to remove my necklace. So wait a minute. Now for our neck, I'm again gonna take a few drops of this vitamin E oil. And there is only one exercise, very simple, no rocket science, and you have seen doing this so many people. So you will see what I am doing and you will understand. So you have to massage your neck in the upward motion. You have to move your hands in the upward motion like this. And the reason why I am doing this exercise at the end on my neck, because our neck, at the end of the day, our neck is the most dirtiest, one of the most dirtiest part of our body. So that is why I cover my neck at the end. Once I have done my entire face, I have covered my entire face, I do my neck at the end basically. So you have to do it again 10, 20, however you want. You can definitely start with 10 counts and then move on to 20, 30, and as you can see, it will not take a lot of time basically. So now we have done that, and as you can see, whatever the excess oil I applied on my skin has absorbed it very nicely, completely, and my skin is now glowing because I have applied on my skin, as well as you will see that glow in long run, and these exercises are gonna help you in long run. Please mind that these exercises are not something that I invented or I created. I watched some of the influencers and also some of the YouTube videos, and I googled these exercises and I picked the easiest exercise that I could do ever, because I am a lazy person and I cannot do something very that contains rocket science content basically. So I cannot perform something like that, not something that's gonna take a lot of time and you can do in the morning, at night, whenever you want. But I prefer to do this at night, because after that I sleep and I wake up with a very healthy and glowing skin. And I think I have spoken a lot. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, family, and everyone whosoever is gonna need this video and enjoy this as well. And if you have anything to say, please let me know in the comment section below. I will see you in my next video, guys. Also, I have a Instagram account, so if you want to explore that, the handle name will be somewhere on the screen, and I will also share the link in the description box below. Also, if you like my content, do subscribe to my channel. If you don't, that's okay. I tried to convince you with my content, and one day you're gonna subscribe to my channel. Till then, guys, take care and bye bye.